Do you work overtime?
Rarely.
Do you check emails before leaving?
Yes, I do.
Do you say goodbye to colleagues?
Yes, always. Do you turn off your computer?
Yes, every evening. Are you happy to go home?
Yes, very happy.
How do you get home?
By metro.
Is it crowded in the evening?
Yes, quite crowded.
What do you do on the way?
I read or listened to music.
What time do you arrive home?
At 5:30.
Are you tired?
Yes, usually.
Is anyone home when you arrive?
Yes, my husband and children.
Do they greet you?
Yes, always.
Do you change your clothes?
Yes, into comfortable ones.
Do you rest a little?
Yes, for a few minutes.
Do you check on the children?
Yes, I ask about their day.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, most days.
What time do you start?
At 6:00.
Does your husband help?
Yes, he helps me.
What do you cook today?
Chicken with vegetables.
How long does it take?
About 40 minutes.
Do you use recipes?
Sometimes.
Where do you find recipes?
On the internet.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do your children help?
Sometimes they set the table.
Does your kitchen have everything you need?
Yes, it does.
What time do you have dinner?
At 7:00.
Where do you eat?
In the dining room.
Do you eat together as a family?
Yes, always.
What do you talk about?
About our day.
Do your children eat vegetables?
Yes, they do.
What do they drink?
Water or juice.
Do you have dessert?
Sometimes fruit or yogurt.
How long is dinner?
About 30 minutes.
Who clears the table?
The children help.
Who washes the dishes?
My husband washes them.
What do your children do after dinner?
They do homework.
Do you help them?
Yes, when they need help.
How long does homework take?
About 30 minutes.
Do they watch TV?
Yes, for a little while.
What programs do they like?
Cartoons.
Do they play games?
Yes, sometimes.
Do they read books?
Yes, before bed.
What time do they go to bed?
At 9 o'clock.
Do you read to them?
Yes, every night.
Do they sleep well?
Yes, they do.
What do you do after the children sleep?
I relax with my husband.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, for an hour.
What programs do you like?
Dramas and documentaries.
Do you talk to your husband?
Yes, we talk about our day.
Do you use your phone?
Yes, a little.
Do you check social media?
Yes, briefly.
Do you read books?
Yes, I love reading.
What kind of books do you like?
Novels and biographies.
Do you listen to music?
Sometimes.
Do you enjoy your evenings?
Yes, very much.
What time do you go to bed?
At 11 o'clock.
Do you take a shower at night?
Sometimes.
Do you wash your face?
Yes, always.
Do you remove your makeup?
Yes, every night.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, before bed.
What do you wear to bed?
Pajamas.
Do you read in bed?
Yes, for 15 minutes.
Do you set your alarm?
Yes, for the morning.
Do you fall asleep quickly?
Usually, yes.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I do.
What time do you wake up on Saturday?
At 9 o'clock.
Do you have a big breakfast?
Yes, bigger than weekdays.
What do you do on Saturday morning?
I clean the house.
Do you do laundry?
Yes, on Saturdays.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, in the afternoon.
Where do you shop?
At the supermarket.
Do you spend time with your family?
Yes, all weekend.
Do you visit your parents?
Yes, on Sundays.
Do you enjoy weekends?
Yes, I love them.